Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. It was my honor to be named host for Ideal's Stay Wired to Win July 2020 contest. The contest was to make what we electricians call a 30-degree offset bend. I made a short video for the contestants prior to the contest where I went over the rules. Here's the challenge. This is a 30-degree offset bend with 4 inches in height. It jumps up 4 inches off the wall. And this is 30 degrees and this is 30 degrees. So I first cut this at 40 inches in length. You don't want any dog legs, okay? And this has to be straight. This goes one direction, that goes the same direction, okay? This can't go, we're going that way or that way. And we're gonna do a little measurement at the end to make sure. Then you have to ream out the conduit. So now we have a 40-inch piece of conduit right here, and there's 2 measurements you have to make on it. We're going to have a 6-inch tail, so you have to measure in 6 inches. This is arbitrary, and this amount was supplied by Ideal. It's 6 inches. Now you have to make another mark right here. The distance between these 2 marks is very, very important. So let's discuss it a little bit. This is what we're concerned with right here, is 30 degrees. These are multipliers, and this is the shrinkage. So we won't worry about the other degree bends right now. But for 30 degrees, your multiplier is 2.0. So when you're doing a 4-inch offset, you multiply that 4 inches by 2, and you get 8. So you're going to have 8 inches between the bends. So our first mark was at 6 inches. That's arbitrary, provided by Ideal. The second mark is going to be at 14 inches because the multiplier is 2 and our height of the offset is 4. So that's how the contestants got their 2 marks. The first mark at 6 inches and the second mark at 14 inches. I'll do a little bit of commentary for the first 2 contestants, and after that I'll just let the video run because you'll know the drill by then. This was a virtual contest, so the contestants did their own filming. All 5 of these contestants won $500 in cash from Rocket Mortgage, a $500 gift certificate from Duluth Trading Company, and $500 in Ideal cash, which can be used to purchase $500 worth of Ideal tools, testers, or meters. Here are the winners. Our first 2020 Professional Division winner is Greg Anlicker, who won the 2019 Pro Division Ideal Individual Competition. Now here are the 5 Professional Division winners. Here's Greg laying out the marks on the conduit as I described. Now he's going to grab his bender, put his conduit in the bender, and cut the conduit at 40 inches. Now he'll ream the conduit and then put the conduit in the bender at the 6-inch mark and bend it at 30 degrees. Then he'll flip the bender, put the mark at 14 inches, give it a second 30-degree bend. Now he proves that his conduit tail is parallel to the body of his conduit. This is our second of 5 2020 Professional Division winners. This is Josh Cole. He's making his 3 marks. It'll be 6 inches, 14 inches, and 40 inches. Now he's going to put the EMT conduit in his bender and grab his hacksaw and make his cut. There's 40 inches. Now he's going to take his reamer and ream out the conduit. Now he's going to put it right in the bender at the 6-inch mark. There's one 30-degree bend, and flip it 180 degrees. There's a second 30-degree bend, and here's the proof at 4 inches. Congratulations to the winners. You all did a great job. I have another video on this channel showing the 5 apprentice winners as well. If you would like to enter in future contests, please see the link in my video description. I'll also put links for ideal benders and for ideal testing equipment, such as the ideal circuit breaker finder and the ideal Sure test. Thanks. I hope this video was inspiring.
Thanks for watching!